Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me and Joe Thought at Jacob's Gutter Lane level crossing in Hampshire. Well, as we've got to wait like forever, well, we've only got to wait like 2 hours for the train to come, I just thought instead of sitting in the car doing absolutely nothing, I'd do an intro. So I'm going to take some time on this as well. So warning, do not trespass on the railway, penalty £1,000. There's your keep crossing clear sign. And this is quite a weird setup, how it's got that extra support arm there. With that support arm, you've got your second generation LEDs, there's the box. It's the E2S alarm. Yeah. Jacob's Gutter. Really. Yeah, that's said. These are penguin barriers. Every crossing on this line, except for one of them, which is a manual gate, is penguin barrier. Yeah, that's true. So yeah, this is your penguin barrier. You've got 2 boom lights, not just one. I don't want to look how many weights it's got because I can't really bother. This crossing's got rubber crossing plant. This crossing has rubber crossing plant and wooden anti-trespass guide. The ones on the outside look brand new. Oh no, I don't know which direction it goes in. I don't know which direction each of the line goes in. Look, they all have it. There's this second supporter arm, the left supporter arm with this second generation LED lights. Keep pressing clear. You got to keep pressing clear your phone. I'm just gonna read it anyway. Oh. To call Marchwood signal box, lift handset and press button. You are calling from Jacob's Gutter Lane level crossing. If there is no reply or phone failure, contact East Lane Signalling Centre, which is manned 24 hours on that number. Replace handset and close door after use. Yeah. SOS. As we go to this side, you've got a lot of network rail stuff over here. Keep gate locks, network rail, report all acts of trespass, vandalism on the railways, network rail 24-hour helpline on that number. Did you just shout Will? Quote your location. Location Jacob's Gutter Lane level crossing. ELR TTF. Mileage 84 miles and 12 chains. Warning, do not trespass on the railway. Penalty 1,000 pounds. There's like some electrical box. FDB Electrical Limited. Earth Fault Protection Unit. Keep crossing clear for this one. There's your second secondary support arm for the main support arm, holding the second generation LEDs. There's the E2S alarm again on this side. Jacob's Gutter. There's this penguin barrier. Has 2 boom lights again. Jacob's Gutter. So yeah, on this side it looks it's like overgrown and everything, but on this side the anti-trespass guide, or the cattle grid, is older. SOS, telephone, keep crossing clear. This is the only normal wigwag you see. And it's a second generation, of course, and it's in a bush as well. Keep crossing clear, as I said before. And yeah, to call home Archwood, signal box, lift and press handset, lift and press button. You are calling from Jacob Gutter's Lane, level crossing. Blah 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 blah. You know the rest from the previous phone box. SOS. It's in clear. I just trod in a puddle. Whoopsie daisy. I am not thinking straight. Why does he want us to wait? Ugh. I'm not in a good mood. And as this is like some sort of old like cross. Yeah. Oh, it does have an REB. It is interesting to have an REB. Yeah, I don't know where that way goes to. That way goes to... I'm pretty sure that way goes towards Frost Lane and Veals Lane and all that. And then that way goes up to Totton. I think that way goes up to Totton. And this way goes up to Frost Lane and Veals Lane. Yeah, you can see the treadles. I don't know why this crossing has a treadle there and a treadle there. Same with the other side. Actually, no. Maybe. I don't bloody know. Yeah, but anyway. 6 minutes this intro is taken. There's a damaged piece of paint. But yeah, I guess that's all I can do now. And this is actually a freight line, but it acts like the Grimsby Light Railway, where, because right now there's only a special season for trains to like run, and apparently after when this season ends, they won't run on this line again until like this time next year maybe. So these crossings will in a way be abandoned. So yeah. Thanks for watching my Jacob's Gutter Lane intro, because we have nothing else to do. I'll see you in the next video.